Welcome everyone to Piedmont Triad International Airport in Greensboro, North Carolina. May K. Bueller here with Carolina Aircraft. Folks, this is our specialty, only the finest pre-owned prime condition Beechcraft Barons and Bonanzas. Check out this beautiful A36. She's a 1977 model. Her paint, it's like new. Let's take a look. So let's talk about your engine. Teldon Continental IO 550 300 horsepower engine, $1192 on the engine since factory reman, and $542 on the prop since prop overhaul. So as you can see, this A36, she's equipped with Vortex generators, and we have 74 gallons of usable fuel to fly to our business and dream destinations. The exterior of this A36, Matterhorn white overall, with deep blue and silver stripes with red swoosh, in beautiful condition. 5,769 hours total time on the airframe since new. So as you can see, we have the large double cargo doors we love about the A36. Useful load, 1,230 pounds, 1230. Now you know the seating is versatile. We can switch the seats around. Everyone can face each other in the club seating executive configuration, or everyone can face forward. And if I want to remove a seat, don't need any tools at all. All I need to do is pick up on the bar, pull a pin out, I can remove the seat. We're good to go. So come on in and check out the interior. It's in really nice condition. Plush leather seating, I love that. Gray wool carpet in great condition. Beautiful sidewalls and headliners. We have a 4-place intercom system and shoulder harnesses for everyone. So let's check out the flight deck. We have dual King KX155 digital nav comms. Our MFD is a King KMD 150 MFD moving map. Our ADSB is a Garmin ADSB out. We do have a Stormscope on board. Your transponder is a King KT76A. We have a King DME on board. And your autopilot, it's a Century 3 autopilot with altitude hold and glide slope. More features you will appreciate. Plush leather interior. Co-pilot mic button on panel, Sigtronics 4-place intercom system, auxiliary instrument air system, thick tinted windows and windshield, Rosen sun visors, 3-blade propellers, DeShannon engine baffles, sheepskin inserts, pilot and co-pilot seats, and more. So this 1977 A36, she's looking for a new home. Beautiful paint scheme. I think she is absolutely gorgeous. Plush leather seats on the inside. I want you to know that Bonanza School, it's included in the price of the aircraft. We want you to feel safe and comfortable in your new to you Bonanza. Great maintenance. We have the logbooks. Give us a call. We're at Piedmont Triad International Airport. We are Carolina Aircraft, and we would love to meet you. For Carolina Aircraft, I'm May K. Bueller. Thanks so much for watching.